Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video we're gonna talk about my favorite contact lenses. So many of you guys ask me what is my contact lenses from, which color this is. So today I'm gonna tell you everything about them. From many years I have been testing this brand and I really love the results. I like because they are not this kind of thick contact lenses, so they are really comfortable in the eyes and I really love the effect in my eyes. So you can use these contacts if you want to just stand out your natural color a little bit, or if you want to completely change your brown eyes to a lighter color. And today I'm gonna show you from where I got my lenses. This is my little packaging. This is from lens.me. This company are from Dubai. My favorite contact lenses by Solotica. This is Hydro Core. And here I have many of them, and this is my natural eye color. As you can see, is a kind of light brown shade, but it changed completely when I use my contact lenses. So here in this package I have all these hydrocore lenses and also a little contact solution. So for the contact lenses you can use with a prescription or just as cosmetic lenses, what I prefer, but you can also add the prescription in the website. I'm gonna link here down below for you guys. But before I put the lenses in my eyes, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. In the hydrocore collection I have the color Mel, Crystal, Amber, Topacio and Quartz. So now I'm gonna show you how they look like in the eyes. So the first contact lenses that I'm gonna try is the color Amber. Okay, so here is the packaging and I have the contact lenses and also a little case to put the contacts in. So they come like this in this little jar. So look this baby, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm impressed because it looks so natural. This is my natural eye and this is the contact lenses Amber. I love it. What do you think, guys? I'm gonna wear all of them and I want you to comment here down below to tell me what is your favorite. So look at this color. This is so beautiful, so natural. It blends so well with the natural color of my eye and I really love this effect. As you can see, you can just stand out more your natural eye color. Now I'm gonna try the color Topacio. So Topacio is more to the blue side. As you can see, this is so beautiful and really bomb in your face. What do you think? Now I'm gonna put the color Quartz and let's see what happens. So this is the color Quartz and I think this is my favorite. These contact lenses are so good. Look at this. This is more a green to the gray side. I think this one matches with almost everybody. It's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna put the shade Crystal and let's see now what happens. Oh my god, this is so beautiful and I am so confused. I think this one also is my favorite. Now I'm gonna wear the contact lenses that I was using in the past month and this is the color Mel. As you can see, it's very natural and I really like this color. It's so beautiful and in comparison to the Amber shade is basically the same, but this one is a little more to the green side. I like them both and I think especially if you have a darker skin shade or if you have a more golden skin shade, this is so beautiful and complements really well your skin. And this color stands out, especially the darker skin shade. This one and the color Amber also is so beautiful, but Amber is more to the brown side and this one is more to the green. So that's it, my lovies. I really hope that you liked this video much as I did. These are some of my favorite colors right now. I have been using Solotica from 3 years, I believe, and I really like them. So I'm gonna leave the link here down below where you can get these beautiful contact lenses. One thing that I love the most is that they are so comfortable. So I really recommend for you to try this out. So thank you so much Lens.me for all these beautiful contact lenses. I love all of them, and I love the service as well because this is so fast and I was kind of impressed. So as I thought before, I was going to have this packaging in 2 or 3 weeks, and it comes to me in 2 days. So I really like it, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials.